Headset designed for landline cordless phones and corded phones equipped with a 3/32 in, 2.5 mm diameter plug. Not compatible with 3.5 mm headphone jacks in cell phones and laptops. Adapter required, sold separately. Adjustable, flexible noise-canceling boom microphone provides custom fit and optimal voice clarity. Convenient controls. Volume control with integrated mute button onto the cord. Lightweight and comfortable fit. Foldable, hands-free usage, reversible headset, cord clip included. Connection. 2.5 mm auxiliary plug. Separate adapter required for compatibility with 3.5 mm headphone jacks on electronics. Connectivity technology. Wired. Telephone headset for Panasonic Dect 6.0 phones. Connection standard 2.5 mm microphone adjustable noise-canceling boom hands-free usage. Reversible. Volume control. Top reviews from the United States. Reasonably priced to help out while I am injured. After 20 years in my field, I had a nerve injury that made me dread when the phone rang. My husband found this headset for me and it's been a complete game changer. I find myself wanting to talk on the phone more because it is so comfortable and easy to hear people. And I get to feel like a 90s pop star.